This is how to blur moving object to look like this. Make sure you have your clip prepared, and I want to blur this car plate. So first step is to copy and paste your first clip. And now make sure you have selected your second clip and click on left upper area effects and search for blur. Click on lens and now grab a blur effect and slide it to your second clip. Next step is to click on your video and click on mask, and I'm gonna use rectangle and adjust it to the plate area. You can also rotate it, make it smaller or make it bigger. So this is how it looks, but we are not finished yet. As you can see, the blur is not moving. So now make sure you have your clip selected. You have to be on the start of video. And now we are going to keyframe it. Click on this little keyframe in position line. And now we are going to play the video, stop the video, move our blur and repeat it. Play the video, stop the video, move it, and again play the video. It's really easy. And now we are finished and it will look like this. That's it guys, hope it helps and see you next time.